there, here's your Wednesday work. So you're going to go down, you're in the distance learning folder to week 2 and go to the Wednesday agenda, and let's see what's up for today. Okay, so it looks like we're going to do a Nearpod. Make sure you put your first and last name in there, and then a height and shoe size discussion post, and an Alex assignment. So 3 things today. You can see in the attachment the Nearpod. Also, you can take a minute and watch Miss Hartman's little today video. So the Nearpod today is to draw a line of best fit. Remember to use your first and last name when you're logging in. Do not use a nickname. Today you're going to learn to interpret a scatter plot by identifying the line of best fit. On your Nearpod slides, pay attention to the sound down here because Miss Hartman recorded it for you so you could hear the directions. So again, sometimes the audio will be up top. So we're going to draw the line of best fit on the graph. We're going to find or draw the line of best fit. A line of best fit best includes the data. You want to have an equal number of points above and below the line. So somewhere in there is where you would draw your line of best fit. So here's an example. Which graph shows the line of best fit? This one doesn't include all the points very well. This one is way off. This one has the line of best fit. There's an equal number of points above and below the line. So continue through the Nearpod, it's pretty short, and do your best work. Then go on to the next thing, which is the discussion post. The discussion post is the height versus the shoe size. So open your discussion post. So here you're analyzing the line of best fit. According to the line of best fit, what would your shoe size be if you were 171 centimeters tall? So if you were right in here, 171, what would your shoe size be? So it looks like your shoe size would be about 9. And the second question, according to the line of best fit, how tall would you be if your shoe size was an 8? So now you go the other way, looking at the shoe size of 8. So the line, if the line extended, you'd be maybe 168 or 169 centimeters. So you want to figure that out before you post your discussion. Then I suggest you copy the questions so you can paste them in your post. So open up your post and then paste your questions here if you want to. And that way you can put your answers here and here, and you'll remember what the question was. So when you respond, it makes more sense. The final step for today is to log into Alex, and you're going to do the Alex assignment on Scatterplots. It's a lot like last week's. So when you log into Alex, you're going to go to the assignment for this week, which is the 30th. So it may say week 3, 4th quarter, or it may say 4th quarter from Mrs. Leganke. Either one. It should only be 5 questions, and it'll look very similar to what you did last week. Okay, let me know if you have any questions on that. You do not have to do topics this week. You're doing some dream box instead of topics. All right, good luck.